Assalamu alaikum students, how are you all? I hope you are fine and staying at home. I am your English teacher and this is your English period. Okay, let's start English period with ABC rhyme. 1, 2, 3, start. Come little children, come to me. I will teach you ABC. Clap. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, wow, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now I know my ABC. Next time you will sing with me. Next time you will sing with me. Superb. Clap for yourself. Okay student, do you know? Today I have a very interesting thing for you. Okay student, look at. This is vocabulary basket. This is vocabulary basket. This is vocabulary basket. And there are many things in it. Do you want to see this? क्या आप देखना चाहते हो? Okay, now I will show you. Look at the first one. Wow! This is pineapple. This is pineapple. This is pineapple. Pineapple, pineapple, pineapple. Okay, now look at the next one. Next, देखिए टीचर के पास क्या है? Look at. This is plate. This is plate. This is plate. Plate, plate, plate. Okay, now look at the next one. Wow, this is parrot. This is parrot. This is parrot. Parrot, parrot, parrot. Okay, now look at this one. This is pencil. This is pencil. This is pencil. Pencil, pencil, pencil. Okay student, now your turn. Now you tell me, where is parrot? Okay, look at. Wow, this is parrot. Very good. Okay, now you tell me, where is pencil? This one. Very good. सब पेंसिल से राइट करते हैं ना? This is pencil. Very good. Okay, now you tell me, where is plate? Okay, this one. This is plate. Very good. Okay, now you tell me, what is in teacher hand? अब आपने मुझे बताना है कि टीचर के हैंड में क्या है. Okay, now you tell me, what is this? Pineapple. What is this? Pineapple. What is this? Pineapple. Okay, now you tell me, what is this? Plate. What is this? Plate. What is this? Plate. Okay, now you tell me, what is this? Pencil. Very good. What is this? Pencil. What is this? Pencil. Okay, now you tell me, what is this? Parrot. What is this? Parrot. What is this? Parrot. Very good. So clap for yourself. Very good. Student, do you know all these things have a beginning sound? And its beginning sound is P. Okay student, do you ever see P? क्या आपने कभी P को देखा है? Okay, now I will show you P. Look at. This is P. This is P. This is P. Okay, do you know student? जैसे आप प्ले ग्रुप में छोटे थे और नर्सरी में आके बिग हो गए हो ना, ऐसे P भी नर्सरी में आके क्या हो गया है? बिग हो गया है. ओके, और वो बन गया है P. वो क्या बन गया है? P. ओके, डू यू वांट टू सी P? क्या आप P को देखना चाहते हो? ओके, नाउ आई विल शो यू P. लुक एट. वाओ, दिस इज Do you want to see that people friend? क्या आप people के friends को देखना चाहते हो? People के friends को देखना चाहते हो? Okay, look at the first one. People plate. People plate. People plate. Okay, अब टीचर आपको दिखाएंगी नेक्स्ट वन. नेक्स्ट देखें टीचर के पास क्या है. People pen. People pen. People pen. Very good. Okay, next देखते हैं टीचर के पास क्या है. Look at the next one. People paint. People paint. People paint. Okay, next देखते हैं next टीचर के पास क्या है. Look at the next one. People plant. People plant. People plant. Okay, student, आप टीचर इन्हें व्हाइट बोर्ड पे पेस्ट करेंगी. Okay, now look at here. People plate. People paint. People pen. People plant. Okay, now look at here. This is our soapboard. What is this? Soapboard. Okay, student. Now listen to me very carefully. People parrot. People parrot. People parrot. People pencil. People pencil. People pencil. People pentagon. People pentagon. People pentagon. People plate. People plate. People plate. Okay, student. Now listen to me. Now listen to me very carefully and repeat after me in a loud voice. अब आपने loud voice में read करना है. Okay, student. People parrot. People parrot. People pencil. People pencil. People pentagon. People pentagon. People plate. People plate. Okay, student, look at here. This is our English book. Which book is this? English book. Open the page number 34. 34. Okay, now look at here. Say the sound and trace the letter. P, pa. Okay, P, pa. Now we will trace on it. अब हम इसे क्या करेंगे? Trace करेंगे. Put the pencil on the dot and make a straight line. Down, touch the last one dot. Okay. Now start from up. Make a small slipping line and make it round and round. And make a small slipping line like this. It will become P. Student, be careful. Don't skip any dot. आपने कोई भी dot skip नहीं करना. Okay. Now we will write pa. Put the pencil on the dot and make a straight line. Down, touch the last one dot. Now start from here. Go 1 point up. Make it round and round. And go 1 point up like this. Okay. People, potato. People, penguin. People, peacock. People, panda. People, peach. People, piano. Okay, now look at the page number 35. Identify and circle the objects starting with sound P. Sound P से start होने वाले object को आपने find out करना है और उस पे circle करना है. Okay, student, look at this is peacock. This is peacock. Okay, अब हम इसे क्या करेंगे? Circle करेंगे like this because it start from P, like this. Okay, now look at here. What is this? Penguin. What is this? penguin, and start from pa. Now circle on it like this. Okay, now look at here. What is this? Panda. What is this? Panda. And this is piano, because panda piano को प्ले कर रहा है, तो हम इन दोनों को क्या करेंगे? सर्कल करेंगे like this, round round and round. Look at here. What are these? Peach. ये क्या है? Peach. तो हम इसे क्या करेंगे? सर्कल करेंगे like this, round round and round. सब peach को सर्कल करेंगे. Okay. Now look at here. What is this? Pumpkin. What is this? Pumpkin. हम pumpkin को भी सर्कल करेंगे like this, round round and round. Now look at here. Circle letter P from the given words. Okay, नीचे वर्ड्स दिए हुए हैं, उनको आपने रीड करना है और फ को फाइंड आउट कर सर्कल करना है. ओके, zip, pen, sip, pin, pad. Okay, look at the first one. Zip. This is p, no. This one p, no. And this one, yes, very good. This is p. अब हम इसे क्या करेंगे? सर्कल करेंगे. Look at the next one. Pen. This is p, yes. अब हम इसे क्या करेंगे? सर्कल करेंगे like this. This one p, no. And this one p, no. Look at the next one. Sip. This one p, no. This one, no. And this one p. Very good. हम इसे क्या करेंगे? सर्कल करेंगे like this. Pin. This one p, no. This one p, no. No बेटा. This one p. ये क्या है? पा है. तो हम इसे क्या करेंगे? सर्कल करेंगे like this. And this one p, no. And this one, no. Pad. This one p, yes, very good. अब हम इसे क्या करेंगे? सर्कल करेंगे like this. This one p, no. And this one, no. Excellent. Okay, student. A, B, B, C, C, D, D, E, F, G, G, H, H, I, E, J, J, K, K, L, L, M, N, O, O. Okay, student, now tell me what we learned today. आज हमने क्या लर्न किया? P, P. आज हमने क्या लर्न किया? P and P. Very good. आज हमने P, P लर्न किया. Excellent. Student, you have to tell your mom about the friends of P, P. P, P, pencil. P, P, parrot. P, P, plant. P, P, paint. P, P, piano. P, P, pumpkin. Very good.